Xpert 60 Liquid Shield multi-surface sealant can be used on glass, paintwork, plastic trim, even rubber surfaces. Let me show you how to use it. Sparingly onto the surface. Wipe over with a clean, dry microfiber cloth to create an even coating. Liquid Shield can be used as a wax booster to extend gloss finish on polished paintwork. Turn cloth and buff to a high gloss shine. Liquid Shield cures within 10 minutes after application to deliver a high slip finish. Liquid Shield boosts scratch and abrasion resistance. Liquid Shield repels water and dirt buildup. Liquid Shield gets the job done.